How to install our no-stud TV wall mount. Drywall installation option. Hold the wall bracket at the desired height and make sure it's level. Using a hammer, insert the drywall nails through the mounting slots and into the wall. Ensure your drywall is at least 0.4 inches thick before starting. Double-check the level before driving in all nails. Adjustments will be difficult afterward. Position the TV mounting brackets over the upper visa holes on the back of the TV. Position the leveling pads over the lower visa holes on the back of the TV. Select the appropriate bolts and washers for your TV's mounting hole depth. Secure the mounting brackets and leveling pads to the TV using the selected hardware, tightening the bolts firmly. Ensure the latches on the TV mounting brackets are in the raised locked position before hanging the TV. Lengthen the pull straps so they are accessible while not being visible from beneath the TV. With assistance, carefully lift the TV and hook the TV mounting brackets onto the installed wall bracket. The latches will snap into place over the bottom of the wall bracket. To remove the TV from the wall bracket, firmly pull down on both release straps to disengage the latches. The latches will remain in the lowered, unlocked position. Carefully lift the TV up and away from the wall bracket to detach it. After the TV is removed, pressing the latches by hand will automatically return them to the locked position for reinstallation. Wall stud installation option. Use a stud finder to locate two adjacent wall studs and mark their centers. Position the wall bracket on the wall at the desired height, ensuring it is level and aligned with the marked stud centers. Drill pilot holes into the studs using a 3/16 inch drill bit to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the wall bracket using lag screws and washers, tightening them firmly into the studs. Solid wall installation option. Position the wall bracket on the wall at the desired height, ensuring it is level. Mark the drill hole locations on the wall using the bracket's mounting slots as a guide. Drill pilot holes using a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit to a depth of 2.4 inches. Insert the concrete anchors into the drilled holes until they are flush with the wall surface. Secure the wall bracket using the lag screws and washers. Drill directly into solid concrete, brick, or block. Avoid mortar joints.